Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be making almond pancakes. Let's begin. So guys, here are our ingredients for these almond pancakes. You're going to need some almond flour of your choice. I used also xanthan gum, which they said was great for baking, some sea salt, vanilla, almond milk, and eggs. I have 3 eggs there. You can use any plant-based milk. It's up to you guys. So let's start putting our ingredients into this bowl. We're going to put our 3 eggs into the bowl. After the eggs, we are going to put our almond milk into the bowl. And this is 1 cup of almond milk. It's actually, we're going to need 1 more cup of almond milk, but that will come later. This is a teaspoon of xanthan gum. You can add in more. It is not very sweet. So I would do that based on your taste of how sweet you want your almond pancakes. And from there, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. From there, we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And then we are going to whisk our wet ingredients together. So guys, you want to give your wet ingredients a nice, good whisk. Mix up those eggs, your milk, and that xanthan gum, and make sure that it's really good and mixed up. You will notice that it is a bit lumpy. The xanthan gum is not really good at dissolving. So don't worry about that. After you mix in your dry ingredients and stir that all up, it kind of all gets together in there and it's okay. So you want to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. We are going to add 2 cups of almond flour to our wet ingredients. So that is 1 cup that I just added in. I'm going to get the other cup and we're going to add that one in. And we're going to give it a nice, good mixing. So you just want to kind of get the whisk, and it's sometimes whisking flour ingredients is not the easiest because it gets stuck in the whisk, but just mix it up as much as you can. And you're going to get kind of a thick consistency, but that's okay because that's when we're going to add in that 2nd cup of milk. I did mix it up a little bit with my hand blender, but not for long, maybe about a minute. That is optional. You can use it the way it is, but I just gave it a nice little extra mix. There I'm adding in that other cup of almond milk, and this will help to loosen up the batter mix because it is kind of really thick because of the almond flour. Once you can add in some more plant-based milk if you like. It is up to you. You do not want to make it too loose because then it makes it more difficult to cook, I guess. You want to check the inside of your pancakes to make sure that the middle is cooking. Almond flour makes your pancakes a lot denser. So make sure you check the middle before you pull them off. I did pull my griddle out to make these pancakes. I wanted to make sure that they were nice and round and that they slid right off of the griddle. And I think I did a good job this time. I'm horrible at making pancakes, but I think I did a good job with these since I used my griddle. You're going to cook them until they are brown on each side like you would do regular pancakes, and make sure that middle is cooked all the way through. And once they are cooked, you will take them off of whatever heating source that you use. You can use oil if you like. And here are my almond pancakes. They came out really good, guys. They were really fluffy. They are a bit thin or flatter, and that's because I did add extra milk. And other than that, they were tasty, and we put some nice good syrup on there, and no complaints. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, we would love to hear a comment in the comment section, or a thumbs up, or a smiley face. Don't forget that we have a thank you gift for all of our watchers and subscribers. It's in the description section. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. We upload a new video every Thursday. See you then. Bye.